Hi, welcome back to the course on Advanced Computer Vision using OpenCV Python. In previous video, we have seen arithmetic operation on images. In this video, we will see the different draw function that OpenCV provides. So let's start it with importing CV2 package and as well as NumPy package with alias and p. Okay, so I will teach you how to create a blank image using NumPy. Okay, so we can use the method of NumPy, that is zeros. Okay, so it takes first argument as tuple. The tuple would be your height, width and channels of the image that you want to create. Let's say we are creating 500 by 500 image with RGB channel, 3 channel. Okay, and make sure you provide the data type over here as uint8. Okay, so that means like CV2 uses uint8 data type to represent the image pixel values, so we are using the data type as uint8. So let's execute it and let's see if we have created the blank image. Okay, so this is the blank image. Since all the pixel values are 0, it is showing as a flag. So we'll draw our line and circle and everything on this image only. Okay, so let's start it with the line. Okay, so I will name this variable as image line and we will use the CV2 function line. Okay, so the first parameter is your original image that you want to draw line on it. Okay, and then if you if you aware of the geometric like formula of line, line needs two parameters, like the starting of the line and then the ending of the line. So let's say this is our image. I want to start line from here and I want to like draw up to the middle of the image. Okay, so let's try that. So I will start the line like we have pixel from 0 0, it is top left corner of the image, and I want to end the line at middle, like we have 500 by 500, 250 by 250 will be our middle of the image. Okay, so we have finished with the starting and ending of the line. Now we have to specify the color of the line. So in the OpenCV channels are like color channels are represented in BGR format. So first value will be your blue value. So 255 is blue value. If you provide 00, it will create only blue value color, only blue color will be there. And the fourth line is thickness of your line. Okay, sorry, it's fifth parameter, that is 1. Okay, so let's execute it and let's see the result. Make sure you change the image line over here. Okay, and execute it. Okay, so we have started from the 0 0 and ended at 250 by 250, and the color is 255 on 0 0, that means blue color, and the thickness of the line is 1. You can increase the thickness over here by specifying increasing the integer value at the last, and you can observe the changes. Okay, so line is done. Let's try the circle. Image circle. Okay, cv2 dot circle, and again it takes the same parameter, original image, not the same parameter. And if you like know, circle needs its center and its radius, so we will provide center first. So let's say I want to start from the middle of the image, that is 250 by 250, that is your center, and the radius should be let's say 10 or 20. A 20 pixel radius would be there, and then color of your circle. So let's provide the green color as an argument. So 255, as I explained earlier, first value is blue, green and red. So 255 and keeping the rest of the value 0 will create the green color, and the last parameter is your thickness of the circle. So let's execute it, and here image circle, and execute it. Okay, so we have a circle that is like starts at, like the center of the circle is 250 by 250, and it is having 20 pixel radius, and it is having color of green color, and it is having thickness of 2. Okay, so as you might have observed that the line we have created is in this variable image line. So why in image circle we are having this line? So when you pass this image variable or yeah variable into this function, that line function, it changes the original image. Okay, so cv2 line and circle changes the original image itself. So you can remove this two lines over here and you can directly use the image only, and that should work fine. Okay, let's close it and check it. Okay, I will increase the uh, what you can say radius of the circle over here, like let's say 50. Okay, and let's execute it. Okay, so since I have increased the radius, it has kept the previous circle as well over here. Okay, so let's try the rectangle now. cv2 dot rectangle. Okay, again it takes the image as an argument. Your starting point, let's say I want to start at let's say 10 10, and your ending point, like the top left corner and the bottom right corner, that is the parameter that is required to create a rectangle. Okay, so I want to start at 10 10 and I want to end it at 100 100. Okay, then the fourth parameter, as always, it is color. We will provide a red color over here and keeping all the values 0 except the red, bgr. Okay, and again the thickness, let's say 2, and let's execute it. We need to close this first. Okay, so it is executed. Let's show that. Okay, so we have started from 10 10 and the ending of the rectangle is 100 100. The color is red, that is bgr. R value is 255, means red, and the thickness of the rectangle is 2. Right, now the last let's say drawing function, you can say it put text. We can put text on the image. So for that we have cv2 dot put text, and t should be capital over here. Okay, it takes your image as an argument, and then second parameter is the text that you want to put. Let's say cv for everyone, let's say cv for everyone. Okay, so that is the second parameter, and the third parameter is tuple, that where you want to put the text. Okay, so let's say we are over here and this is 100 by 100. Okay, so 10 and 100 will be fine, 10 11 and 100. So if I keep the 11 and 100, let's say 11 would be somewhere over here and the y value 100 would be over here. So somewhere over here I will get the text. Okay, so let's keep uh, 11 and 100. Okay, I think it's fine. Or let's say 111. Okay, so this is where the text will start from, like cv will start from this pixel values and the rest of is covered by bottom values. So let's see how it is in the result. And the fourth parameter is the font type that cv2 provides. So you have to remember this font type, or you can find it in the OpenCV document, that is HERSCY simplex. This is the uh, type they have created in the cv2 library. Okay, then this is, I think, the font initial font size we provide as 1, and again the color of the text. Let's provide the random integer value of bgr, so 14, and let's keep 255 over here. So this will put the text, again your original image over here, and the text that you want to put, the text will start from 100 and 11. Okay, 100 is x and 11 is your y. Okay, I hope it is clear. Should we let's keep 100 over here. Let's see the image. Okay, so this is your x value. I want 100 over here. X should be 10. Yeah, x should be 10 or 11. 10, and this should be 110. Let's see the result. We need to close this first and the result. Okay, so it has started from 10 and 110 from here. X is 10 and 110, y is over here. Okay, so you can, like, let's provide the 150 over here and let's see the result. Okay, so see, for everyone is here. So this is how you put text on the image. Like if you want to remove the this double created circle or text, you have to re-execute this original image over here. Let's execute and show you. Okay, so this is the final image that we have created in this tutorial. I hope you learned something new, and if you like it, please like the video and share it with your friend, and also subscribe to the channel to get the latest tutorials that I am creating over here. So until then, happy learning.